If you want to have a perfect birthday, wedding anniversary, or any other occasion which is very close to your heart, but in this pandemic, you are facing difficulty in finding a nice present for your friend, spouse, or any other loved ones, then don't worry because Give It a Thought has got the solution. Today I am having Anusha Samat. She is an entrepreneur leading her online business as Floret Wrappings, which of course by the name reflects the fact that it's all related to fancy wrappings, surprises, gifts, baskets and stuff. So let's welcome Anusha and talk about her journey. Welcome to my show Anusha. How are you?
I'm all good, Mrs. Nida. How are you? Thank you so much for having me over board.
माय प्लेजर अनुषा सबसे पहले तो आप हमें ये बताइए कि व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट फ्लोरेट ट्रैपिंग्स बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड दैट यू हैव डन BS in psychology and you are having MBA as well. So MBA, then psychology and then floret trappings. तो इसका क्या कॉम्बिनेशन है और ये क्या मोटिवेशन थी आपकी और ये क्या जर्नी है प्लीज.
Okay, so yeah, basically, Mrs. Nida, the thing is, even the people that know me, they were like quite surprised when I started like my business and all after I got married. So basically, although my journey is like from Mama Parsi, I did science and then to psychology in my like I did 4 years BS there and then MBA. Everything is somehow connected that ke main shayad people were thinking maybe I'll be pursuing into clinics or into corporate sectors, but basically you always have that inner passion within you ke life mein kabhi kabhi kuch aisi cheezein hoti hain that is what is called your dream which you like to follow in your life. So basically I was such a person ke I just believed कि यार अगर आप कोई चीज लाइफ में करें तो you should do it with your 100% and with your heart. I just
Right.
followed my heart basically. Actually, I just got a bit of motivation from my father as well. He was a businessman himself. And जब
Mhm.
मैंने MBA किया तो I just got to know a lot of tactics that how to set up a business and everything. So somehow
Mhm.
mind boggling एक situation चल रही थी and उस दौरान then I got married. So after I got married corona hit हो गया. Although I was planning to start my business like around what Feb or March last year, but I couldn't due to the corona. So वो थोड़ा सा linger on होते होते finally I got that support and that push from my husband. To be very honest, my husband pushed me कि नहीं यार, if you had something in your mind you love doing something like when it comes to creativity, he used to see me doing sketches, decorating small things and all of that. So I just one day I was just discussing with him कि यार I guess Samad, I think I should go for these things. So with
Hmm.
that push and all, I started like doing this in what like end of September, and to be honest Nida, at that time I was totally blank कि पता
Right.
नहीं चीजें चलेंगी नहीं चलेंगी and how it will be like क्या response basically मुझे मिलेगा. So yeah, in October things were like quite slow and normal. Clients आते थे, most of the clients used to come up and
Hmm.
पूछना discussions and all. But obviously as being a newbie, हर कोई इतना जल्दी trust नहीं करता है.
Hmm.
But out of a lot of them, there were few people who started giving me orders, and in October I started doing it. And होते होते अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह from like November December मुझे बहुत सारे orders मिलने लगे.
माशाल्लाह.
I'm on Facebook, I'm on Insta. So I was very much thankful to Allah Taala basically, and then my husband and most of all my clients, क्योंकि इस तरह से trust देना and उसके ऊपर 100% उतरना, Nida, that
Hmm.
is something which is an achievement itself.
No doubt.
Basically,
Yes.
या सो बेसिकली मैं चाहती तो थी कि मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट की तरह लाइफ में मतलब आई शुड परस्यू माई सेल्फ इन अ क्लिनिक एंड ऑल, बट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग ऑफ माई ओन जिसके
Right.
अंदर मतलब देयर इज नो सॉर्ट ऑफ टेंशन और समथिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग कि भाई I was just loving doing these things for for my clients.
In short, you
I
wanted
used
to
to,
enjoy your life. In short, you wanted to
sorry.
enjoy your life.
Yep. It was more like that. And to be honest, Nida, I used to do my own things as well before I started doing this business. मैं भी बहुत सारे packages या gift wrappings इस type की चीजें मैं कराती थी, तो मैं sort of उससे भी inspired हुई थी. I used
Right.
to do their numerous places in defense. Like I'll be very honest, like Bliss and Simply Flowers. Basically, मुझे उनका काम बहुत ज्यादा attract किया था. एंड
Okay.
उससे एक स्केच मैंने बनाना शुरू किया कि आई वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो
So
दिस इज हाउ.
have you done any courses, like have you done any specialization in it, और खुद से ही बस चीजें देखी, YouTube देखा और लोगों को बनाते हुए देखा, and then you have started doing it?
या बेसिकली हाँ, मैंने कोर्सेज कोई स्पेशलाइजेशन या कोर्सेज नहीं किए हैं. आई जस्ट फॉलोड यूट्यूब. आई फॉलोड दोज पीपल जिनसे मैं करवाती थी. उनकी जाहिर है जब मेरे पास गिफ्ट आइटम्स या ये जो मैं पूरे
हाँ,
हार्ड बॉक्स सेटिंग्स जो मैं भी बनाती हूँ, व्हेन इट यूज्ड टू
हाँ,
कम अप टू मी, आई यूज्ड टू सी ईच एंड एवरी एंगल्स के ये किस तरह से पुट अप हुआ है, फ्लावर्स कैसे
हाँ,
अरेंज्ड हैं, हाउ द बलून्स आर gathered together. Although base आपका इतना small होता है कभी कभी hat boxes का, but the things
हाँ,
are so huge over it. So
हाँ.
I was just trying to learn from the practical examples. I did not do any courses or anything.
Right. So let's show something to the audience, to my viewers, कि what is a floated wrappings all about. Let's show them something, your work. Okay, very nice.
Yeah. So basically this is what the hat box is all about. The small base that is like sort of a box, hard box base. And this was something which I just delivered it yesterday only. And it
Okay.
was for a little girl. There were like
Hmm.
these goodies and balloons, all it. I usually do customized work. So basically clients की अपनी अपनी demands होती हैं हर एक
Right.
packages में. कभी कुछ को with cakes, without cakes, flowers, balloons. It all depends
Hmm.
upon it.
Right. Okay, what a
This was,
beautiful flowers.
yeah, thank you. These are all basically imported flowers. I don't use the local ones. These are
Oh,
chrysanthemums, daisies, and baby breaths and all.
right. Amazing. Okay,
This
very
was,
nice.
thank you so much. This was a midnight delivery surprise, which was gifted from a husband to his wife. So ये भी
Okay.
full customized पूरा package था.
What a motivation. Zabardast.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Next,
And
please.
this was actually gifted from a best friend to his best friend, and it was
Okay.
again the midnight. Basically, ये New Year Eve पे ही गया है, like 31st December की रात को.
Right. Lovely. Oh,
This
lovely.
was, yeah, actually this shot was taken by my client herself, and to
Okay.
be really honest, it just created and added magic in my whole bouquet. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था इनका shot.
Hmm.
These are all
Amazing.
imported roses. Then
Right.
again, it was a hot box.
Excellent.
This
Oh,
was a
lovely.
wedding gift. Yeah, this
Okay.
was actually delivered directly in the wedding hall to the bride and the bridegroom from his chacha and chachi. So they were abroad,
Love.
and one of their relative actually contacted me, and फिर मैंने पूरा बनाया था according to their demands and all.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Excellent. Oh,
Thank you so much.
amazing. Okay. So that's all about the floated wrappings. And you can find so many stuff like these in the floated
Yeah.
wrappings. Okay. Acha, tell me, Anusha, that what are the challenges of online business? आपको obviously it's a new setup, लेकिन आपको क्या challenges का सामना करना पड़ रहा है? क्या problems face करनी पड़ रही है?
एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरी स्टार्टिंग में मेरे माइंड में ये था कि क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली कोरोना हिट हुआ था एंड पीपल वर नॉट इनटू दीज थिंग्स दैट फ्रीक्वेंटली, जैसे एक प्री कोविड सिचुएशन में हुआ करता था ऑनलाइन बिजनेस, मतलब ई ई मार्केट वाज लाइक ऑन द टॉप एट दैट टाइम, इट वाज
हम्म
एक्चुअली रूलिंग द वर्ल्ड। तो
हम्म
मुझे एक था फियर कि मे बी मेरा चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इट वाज मोर लाइक कि स्लोली रिस्पॉन्सेज आने लगे थे एंड मतलब आई जस्ट फेल्ट वन थिंग कि मुझे इतने चैलेंजेस, वैसे टू बी ऑनेस्ट निदा, इतना फेस नहीं करना पड़ा। क्योंकि मुझे
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
पहले तो ये लगा था कि या अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, पहले तो मुझे लगा कि मे बी आई वुड बी, यू नो, पीपल वुड बी आस्किंग मी कि आप फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं है, यू डोंट हैव अ शॉप येट एंड ऑल दैट, बट क्योंकि लोग इतने यूज टू थे, दे हैड दिस पैटर्न टू शॉप ऑनलाइन कि यू नो
हम्म
दे स्टार्टेड टू बिलीव इन अ फैक्ट कि ऐसी चीजें भी ऑनलाइन सेल आउट हो सकती हैं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हो रही थी। देर आर
राइट
मेनी प्रोफेशनल्स एंड मास्टर्स इन दिस फील्ड जो कि ऑनलाइन डिलीवरीज और मिडनाइट डिलीवरीज करते थे, सो इतना मुझे इशू नहीं हुआ। But yeah,
राइट
the trust which my clients gave me, that was something immense. I was actually surprised myself कि उन्होंने मुझे ट्रस्ट किया। ऑल्दो ऑनलाइन इज नॉट दैट इजी, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में लोगों को थोड़ा फियर तो होता है, बट आउट ऑफ लाइक इन द होल फेस दे लाइक यू नो ट्रस्टेड मी, और लेके चले इस चीज को।
Right, fine. Thank you so very much. It was very good to know about floral trappings in you as well. All the best for your future, Anusha. We are
थैंक
looking forward that the people would also love it. और लोग आपको पेज लाइक करें, आपका आपको ऑर्डर्स दें, ताकि आपके मजीद क्लाइंट्स बने, आपका बिजनेस जो है एक्सपेंड हो। अल्लाह आपको इसमें बरकत दे। और जो है वो व्हाट एल्स डू यू वांट द पीपल, why should they like your page, please?
Okay, first of all, thank you so much again, Nida, for appreciating and actually acknowledging my work. That is like the best thing. Ke you gave me this platform ke you know I can interact well to others as well, जो कि अभी मेरे page से इतना aware नहीं है. So basically, the reason behind liking or following it, first of all, it all depends upon the clients. But
Hmm.
my personal request to all of my clients and all to the other people is that ke, whatever I do it with all my honesty, my hard work, and with all that love which I just, you know, in all these wrappings, I just make sure कि उसके अंदर just, you know, not only monetary benefits, बल्कि उसके अंदर, you know, I always try to put up my love, my care, and all of those extra things जो कि, you know, which can bring smile on someone's face on their special day. Because right now we all need to spread love and happiness, and that is what this world needs it right now. So this is my agenda behind my business, and that is the reason why I would like to ask people to follow me out. Just I want to give them my best with all the happiness and love.
Thank you so very much, Anusha. All the best for your future and for your business, Floated Trappings. Thank you so very
Thank
much for
you.
watching today's program. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. अपना अपने प्यारों का बहुत ख्याल रखें. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.